Welcome, you're at my corner. Are you ready for today? I've got a big list for me and you. There's lots to do. Quick, come on through. At Courtney Carrot's Corner, at Courtney Carrot's Corner. Why don't you come and join us at Courtney Carrot's Corner? Hey, it's Courtney Carrots here and welcome back to my corner. How is everyone today? I hope you're really well. Today we have a very special request. We're reading the book, Commotion in the Ocean. Should we just jump right in? I think so. Commotion in the Ocean. Look at all the bubbles. Commotion in the Ocean. Commotion in the ocean. There's a curious commotion at the bottom of the ocean. I think we ought to go and take a look. You'll find every sort of creature that lives beneath the sea swimming through the pages of this book. There are dolphins, whales and penguins. There are jellyfish and sharks. There's the turtle and the big white polar bear. But can you see behind the wrecks and in between the rocks? Let's see if we can find who's hiding there. Can you see who it is? Take a closer look. Crab! The crab lies walking sideways. I think that's the reason why, is to make himself look sneaky and pretend that he's a spy. Pew pew! Turtles! We crawl up the beach from the water to bury our eggs on dry land. We lay a whole batch and then when they hatch, they scamper about in the sand. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter. Wow. Dolphins. The wonderful thing about dolphins is hearing them trying to speak, but it's not how do you do. Like I'd say to you, it's more of a click, whistle, squeak. Squeak, squeak. Oh wow, look at them jumping out of the water. Angelfish. Hello, I'm the angelfish, darling, the prettiest thing in the sea. What a shame that there are no other creatures as gorgeous and lovely as me. Jellyfish. The jellyfish just loves to jiggle, which other fish think is quite dumb. She knows that it's not all that useful, but jiggling is very good fun. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Shark! I swim with a grin up to greet you. See how my jaws open wide? Why don't you come a little bit closer? Please, take a look inside. He's trying to eat all of the fish, all of the little starfish. Swordfish. I love to chase after small fishies. It stops me from getting too bored. And then when I start feeling hungry, I skewer a few on my sword. Look at his nose. Really, really long. Octopus. Having 8 arms can be useful. You may think it looks a bit funny, but it helps me to hold all my children and tickle each one of their tummies. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Stingray. At the bottom of the ocean, the stingray flaps his wings, but don't you get too close to him, his tail really stings. Lobster. Never shake hands with a lobster. It isn't a wise thing to do. With a clippity clap and a snippity snap, he would snip all your fingers in too. Oh dear, we don't want to lose our fingers. Deep sea. Miles below the surface, where the water's dark and deep, live the most amazing creatures that you could ever meet. There are fish of all descriptions, of every shape and size. Some have giant pointy teeth and great big bulbous eyes. Some of them can walk around and balance on their fins, but the strangest fish of all have glowing whiskers on their chins. Wow! Did you know those glowing fish make their own light? And it's called bioluminescence. Big word. Blue whale! There's no other beast on the planet, as big as the giant blue whale. He measures a massive 100 feet long from his head to the tip of his tail. We're just a bunch of barnacles and all we do is clean. We know that's not that glamorous, but it's our favorite thing. Whoosh! Walruses. Our bodies are covered with blubber. Our tusks are incredibly long. We are grumpy and proud and we bellow out loud to show that we're mighty and strong. Penguins! We waddle about on our icebergs, which makes our feet slither and slide. And when we get too close to the water, we leap with a splosh off the side. Polar bears, look how cute they are. Oh my goodness. Deep out in the Arctic, the mummy polar bear snuggles up with all her children. It's very cold out there. What a lot of creatures we have seen beneath the sea. What a lot of funny things they do. Some of them might lick their lips and eat you in one bite. The shark. And some might want to swim around with you. The dolphin's very friendly and the lobster's very fierce. But the shark is the most dangerous by far. Can you name the other friends we've made along the way? See if you can tell me who they are. The end. That was an amazing story and I'm glad that you came to read it with me. Next time we read this story again, you can point out